Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are seeing me for the first time, hi, I'm Palvi, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. In today's video I will be giving you a honest review of mine of some products, like a full range of a brand. And I want to give some disclaimers before we start that I don't hate this brand, and I have not tried some other products of this brand, but this range in particular has not worked for me, and that's my review. This is just my honest review for you guys, and it's my work to tell you how the products work on my skin and how the products will work on a particular skin type and all of that. That's my work to tell you guys. So yeah, that's what the disclaimer I want to give you. I don't hate that brand and nothing like that. And the second disclaimer is I'm not a dermat or I'm not any special doctor of skin. It's just that I experienced this thing and I just wanted to share this with you guys. So yeah, these were the two disclaimers that I wanted to give you guys before we start. So now let's get starting to the video. So now let's start with the review. So the range I am talking about and the product and the brand that I am talking about today is the Plum brand. Many of you guys must be knowing the Plum brand, and it is a well-known brand. It is a very good brand and I have heard a lot of good things about it, and especially this range, like green tea range, I heard a lot of things about it, but this just didn't work on me. I made a complete haul on this product. Like when I bought this, I made a complete haul, Nykaa haul. I will be linking down in the description if you want to check that out. So I'm talking about green tea alcohol free toner, and I have a Plum green tea face mist. So I have these two products. So let's get back to when I wanted to buy this, and finally I decided to buy it. When I was going through the teenage phase and all, I never had pimples or anything of that sort. My skin was really very clear all the time, and in these few days when I wanted to buy these products, my skin was going through a little bit of rough time. Like I had a little bit of acne here and there, and all of that was happening. This brand is meant for acne prone skin and oily skins. So I went on the internet, saw this brand, saw this range, and I thought let's buy it. And I bought these two products from it. I thought let's try this, and especially I have heard many things about the mist, so I wanted to buy that from a very long time. So I bought it. After doing that haul, I started using the products. In few months I didn't saw any change, not good not bad. I didn't face any changes in my skin. My skin was still going through a little bit of rough time. Like I had pimples, I had acne, but I thought let's keep using it because toners, I was basically using more Plum green tea toner from Plum tree. Anyways, so I was using particularly Plum green tea toner. So basically toner works in a way that you have to wait for certain months to see how that, if that is reacting good or bad to your skin. So I thought let's give it few months, and I continued using that. And after few months my skin became like really very bad. I had like bad rashes, pimples, acne, not everywhere but on the cheek area, especially on this area I had bad rashes. I had very tiny pimples, you can say, and it was like not going, it was like active pimples. I had few pimples on my forehead and all. So then after few months, after giving this product few months, I thought that let's stop using this product and just let's see how it reacts to my skin. Maybe because of that my skin is going through a bad time. So I stopped using these products, and after few months my skin was okay. I didn't use any other product. Like my skincare routine was pretty much same. I just didn't use this product, and my skin was okay after few months. Not like perfectly fine, but it was okay. My skin is still healing, but it is much better now, and thank God for that. But that's what I wanted to tell you guys, that this plum green tea range is especially for oily skin type, and I have many friends who have oily skin type. Some of them have used this product and they have loved this product. So yeah, if you have oily skin type and acne prone skin, so this product will work wonders on your skin. But yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you guys, that I am a dry skin person, not like very dry. I am mostly to the normal to dry skin type of person. So yeah, the final conclusion to this video is that see what your skin is going through at that point of time and buy products according to that. Think twice and buy products. Your skin may react very badly, and fortunately I realized it very early that these products are not working for my skin, and I stopped using them. But that may not happen to everyone, so think twice before you buy any product. And it is very important to identify your skin type before buying any product. But anyways, that's what I wanted to tell you guys, that these products didn't work for me. And as a brand, I know this is a very good brand. If you have oily skin, then you can definitely buy it. Definitely you can. I recommend you to buy it if you have oily skin type. But otherwise, this reacts, and this has happened to me for the first time. So I experienced it for the first time. So I thought, let's sit down and I give reviews of the product that has helped me in a good way. But I thought, let's make it more honest, and let's sit down and make a video of the product that has not reacted to my skin in a very good way. So I thought, let's sit down and let's honestly talk to you guys about this. And so I did. I really hope that you guys find this video helpful. So if you have any doubts, or if you want to ask anything, then you can obviously ask in the comment section below. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope that you like this video, and I really hope that you guys will find this video very helpful. So yeah, if you like this video, give a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button beside subscribe button, so every time I post any video, you will be notified. So yeah, that's it for today's video. We will meet next time. Bye. We dancing,